Welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be learning how to build a portfolio. It is free, it is fast, and it is no code zone. So you don't need to know how to code to create your portfolio. Now we'll be using this website called datascienceportfolio.io. So you go to datascience.portfolio.io and you sign in. So I already signed in, so I don't have to go through this route. So you put in your email address and then your password. We log in. Now we're done. We log in. After we've logged in, we go to edit profile. Here we edit our profile. You go to choose file. We want to choose a picture that will be on our portfolio. So I already have a picture on my system already, and then I click on open. Then I go to my name and I input my name there. Okay, then the headline. So what is this headline about? What do you do? Data analyst, data scientist, all of those things, you include it there. So I'll just click on yes, data scientist, data analyst. So where's the location? Where am I currently? So Anambra, Nigeria. And here you put in the email address that you want to be seen on your portfolio. So this is where you put it there. So beautiful. Alright. Now in this about, tell us a little bit about yourself. Let's know about you. I already wrote it down somewhere. So I'll just copy. So you can be expressive here. So just talk about yourself and put everything there. And next thing is the skills. So what are the skills you have? So detailed all the skills you have as a data analyst, a data scientist. I already have it already. So I'll just copy and I'll paste it. The next thing we are being asked here is to post our social media links for your LinkedIn, GitHub, Kaggle, or Medium. So I'll post my LinkedIn, and then you can post your GitHub and all, but I'll just stop here and then I click on save. Now you see that our profile has been created. The next thing we are creating is the project, uploading as our project. By this time we already have projects you've worked on. Now it's time to upload them. So I go to add my first project. So what's the project name? I did a project on time series forecasting using machine learning. Okay, then the next thing, description of the project. So I uploaded it here, the description for the project. Now most of this project, all of the project I've worked on is on GitHub, so it is easy to just copy and paste from there. Next thing, what skill was used? I used Python, it was Opgenie, and then there was NumPy. So you can include all the skills you use. There's pandas. Alright. And next thing is the GitHub link. If you have a link where you uploaded the project or where the project has been uploaded. So I have a link where I uploaded it on my GitHub. That's what I just did there. The next thing now is to put in the image. It's good to actually have a picture, the face of the project. So I'll put this. I already downloaded it. And then it's asking to crop. Then just click on crop, and we are done. And then we say save. Now we've created, we've uploaded one of our projects. So if you have more, if you want to upload more, you just click on add project, and then you add more projects that you want to be added. If you want to delete, you can delete. If you want to edit, you can edit. Now we're going to leave it at just this, and then I click on done. We have successfully created our portfolio. This is our information, our personal information, and then the project we've worked on. Now if I want to read more, I click on read more, and then I see more about the project that was created. If I go back, and if you notice this link here, datascienceportfolio.io/ukrodmlm. So this is my portfolio link.